So the lowest level of configuration and access for a cloud customer then is usually the virtual private cloud, what we call the VPC. And securing this virtual network is every bit as important as securing a physical network in your company. In our first few demos, we opened up the firewall to allow a specific IP address, which was our own IP, into the VPC hosting our Redshift instance. This was dealing with the network security, and this should be managed with your network experts. If you're the one that's responsible for this, I would definitely recommend getting a good amount of training on configuring and securing AWS VPCs and how to navigate the identity and access management within AWS. There's a handful of great courses right here on Pluralsight and even some certification paths that you can take to get that knowledge that you need. But as a high-level rule, keep in mind that opening a VPC to all incoming traffic, what would be a rule of 0000, no matter the intended port or source IP, will lead to inevitable attempts at unauthorized access. With automation and crawlers out there, there's no such thing as security through obscurity anymore. You will be found. Having an open VPC is basically a declaration that your data is okay and even intended for unlimited public access. In my demos here, I established that the VPC hosting my Redshift instance can only be accessed from a single IP address, and that's the one that I'm currently sitting at. And just as important is protection of those root users, passwords, and logins associated with the AWS account underlying your Redshift cluster. Securing your VPC is all for naught if someone can simply log in as root, reconfigure to their heart's content, and set up their own idea of what security could be. A good policy for root access is that it should be locked down and stored in a vault. I mean like an actual physical vault, maybe even a safety deposit box. No one should ever use this account for anything other than setting up the initial accounts that have been delegated and segmented into specific areas of control. Then, after that, it should be as closely guarded secret as your IT organization could possibly have.